everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own fun St. Patty's Day bodysuit. For the materials, you'll need a bodysuit, a heat press or iron, vinyl, and a Cricut. First, cut out your design. Make sure to mirror it. For the materials, type in foil and click on Iron on Foil. Load the mat and cut. Since I'm layering, you'll have to create a cut for the second layer. In this case, it's Everyday Iron-On. Cut it out too. After you've weeded the vinyl, line it up how you'd like it. I put the top of the bottom layer 3 inches from the neckline. Then cover it with the heat-safe paper and iron it on at 295 degrees for 30 seconds. Peel off the transfer paper. Then layer the foil iron-on top. Iron it on the same way as the first layer. Remove the transfer paper. And that's it! I love how cute it turned out, and I'm so excited to wear it on St. Patrick's Day. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.